Sometimes we need to make accounts inactive to clean up the chart of accounts and to make it as easy to navigate as possible. We can do this on any account in QuickBooks. However, don't do this on any account that has transactions or a balance remaining. Only do this on accounts that do not have any activity. Let's give an example. We're going to scroll down in our chart of accounts, and one account that sticks out is the account called Other General and Administrative Expenses. That account is not very specific, and we're not going to use it. Let's make it inactive. To do this, click the drop-down arrow next to the account name and simply choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks asks us if we are sure we want to inactivate this. We'll click Yes. Now, QuickBooks has removed this account from our account list. It has not been deleted, but rather been made inactive. If you'd ever like to reactivate an account, click the gear icon at the top of the chart of accounts, and then select Include Inactive. After making that selection, you can scroll down and you can see inactive accounts and make them active. For example, here we see our insurance expense account. It says deleted, but we can make it active. Likewise, if we scroll down, we'll also see our other general and administrative expenses, and we can click Make Active, and that will bring that back into full activity on the chart of accounts. Make accounts inactive when you want to clean up the chart of accounts and make it more simple to navigate.